We as parents, both of us, usually teacher would call us for counseling or career planning and so forth. Even you have a lot of relatives asking you, Kavish life mein kya karega aage, what are his plans? And usually when we speak to Kavish, we say that, this is your childhood, enjoy your childhood. Career, education is important, but they'll fall in place. The childhood that you're enjoying now won't come back again. So our idea is we let him enjoy. So he enjoys STEM as a fraternity. So he comes here, he explores. One thing, he's sure that he wants to pursue a career in engineering. And since robotics has been his passion and he's represented country couple of occasions internationally, so he feels that he can do it as well. That confidence we can see it in him. So I think as time shapes up, he'll decide what he wants to do. But he's very clear and very confident that this is an area where he wants to build a career. But as of now, we want him to enjoy childhood rather than focus too much on this.
Too passionate about this particular thing, robotics, creative, hardworking. You'll never say no. Whenever, even at 6 o'clock, if you're waking up and saying, go to robotics, he'll be ready, pack his bag and come here. So that is that much into it.